The EDO State Governorship Election Tribunal resumed proceedings today, January 29, 2025, for Abuja with the continued hearing of petition number EPT/ED/GOV/01/2024 filed by Dr. Bright in Abulele and the Accord Party, where they challenged the result of the September 21, 2024 Edo State Governorship election, plus Action Alliance, wey also file another petition where dem take challenge the results of the election. For the hearing, the representative of the Accord Party wey be plan to court two witnesses come tell the tribunal say dem no fit bring any witness come court, and as a result the Accord Party come officially close their case. After that, the tribunal continue with the hearing of the petition wey Action Alliance file, as dem call one witness wey identify say im be the national chairman of the party wey file the petition sake of say na im be the party leadership, even though im no be the gubernatorial candidate for the party. But the matter come turn out to be say the party's true candidate Tom Isegoyi no file any petition. On top this development, Stephen Okuro, the legal advisor for the All Progressive Congress APC, and Emperor Jared Tinebe, the APC chairman for Edo State, come talk say the petitions no get chance as them describe them as dead on arrival, while them they update to read people about the tribunal proceedings.
Yes, today we had matters for two parties. First of all, Accord Party, they're supposed to have called two witnesses, but unfortunately they said they don't have any witness in court, and thereafter they now closed their case. Then after which we now had a matter for Action Alliance. They called a witness, a second petitioner, who said he's the national chairman of the party. Now he is not the candidate of the party. The candidate of the party, one Tom Isegoyi, he never petitioned, but he came on the basis of leadership. You know, that can best be described as a meddlesome interloper, a busybody in this petition. He's not the petitioner. He's not a candidate, but the only petition based on the fact that he got judgment from Federal High Court, Ogun State, Court of Appeal, and Supreme Court stating that he's the leader or the national party chairman. But Tom Isegoyi, who went in, who is a candidate of the party, never petitioned.
Yeah, you know, I came in late, and from the little I saw, this was a pre-election matter, I suppose, and which is actually not supposed to come here. So it was just wasting the time of the court. So I think it's dead on arrival.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not the take blame. From NJI Abuja, Ekata Ojisoli, TMC TV News.